This video will show you how to replace the lock switch on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Now as we move towards our grab handle, we're going to have to remove the outer trim panel. You can see a clear difference here. Go ahead and separate it. I'm just going to use a flat blade screwdriver so I can make my way in between and gently start pulling it away. You don't want to damage it because we are reusing it. There we are. With that out of the way, you're going to find that you have two 10mm headed mounting bolts. There's our first mounting bolt. And the second mounting bolt. We'll take hold of the grab handle. It's going to pull away from the door. Quick inspection, set it aside. Now we can start removing the switch panel from this area. I'm going to be using my plastic trim tool, make my way in between here and gently separate it. Looking under here, we can gain access to our electrical connector. To remove the lock switch, the first area that we want to do is focus on this electrical connector here. It has 4 wires leading to it. It's the smaller of the connectors. It has a small lock tab right along this area here. I'm just gently prying on that, pulling it away, and I'm pulling away on the electrical connector at the same time. We'll just rock that right out of position. Of course, a close inspection for corrosion. If you see any, it needs to be taken care of. Now that I have that disconnected, we can start removing the lock switch. Now the lock switch itself will have 4 locking tabs that you're going to have to dislodge so we can start pulling this out and away. It's going to come out through this bottom side. As I use my pocket screwdriver to gently pull away on each one of these tabs, I'm also pressing on the lock switch, attempting to push it out in this direction. Start along one side, make our way over to the other. There we go. And there it is, friend. Prior to installation of any part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We know we have 4 locking tabs. We need to give everything a quick wipe with a clean rag and confirm everything is still in usable order. It's time to install that lock switch. Make sure you have it in the proper orientation. We're going to align it, press it in, and listen for an audible click from all locking tabs. Once you feel as though you do have it pressed in, attempt to remove it. It should not fall out of place. Continue on with your electrical connector next. As far as this electrical connector, we need to make sure we have that in the proper orientation as well. We're lining it up and pressing it in. An audible click. Now we can take this, we're going to line it up and press it down and in position. Let's continue on with the grab handle. We'll get this aligned. We have our 2 10mm headed bolts, 1 for each port, 1 up top, 1 down in the bottom area here. Let's install our trim panel across this area. Make sure that's secured all the way across. Okay, friend, we've got everything back together. Let's go ahead and test the door lock switch one last time. We'll leave it in the unlocked position. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.